Hello and welcome to this special video edition of Kitchen Excellence Week 2021. I'm delighted to be joined today by Simon Lohse, who is the Managing Director of Rationale UK. He's here to chat to me about some of the key trends in cooking equipment at the moment and the sort of issues that operators might face when it comes to commercial cooking applications. Simon, 2020 saw Rationale deliver one of the most significant global product rollouts in its history. You launched the iCombi Pro, the iCombi Classic, and of course the iVario Pro. How have you attempted to follow that up in 2021? And is it all about integrating this new technology into the marketplace?
To be honest with you, Andrew, the product's been really well received by the market. So we've not really had to focus on integrating it as such. This is probably because our existing customers recognise the benefits of efficiency versus their existing Rationale product. And new customers are really excited by the flexibility and quality that the new product offers and the benefits it can bring to them, meeting particular pain points and current challenges within the commercial kitchen, particularly in the wake of everything that's gone on with COVID.
Yeah, sure. You mentioned innovation there, and obviously there's a lot of innovation built into those applications. Has the technology been adopted by operators in the ways that you imagined?
Well, I think that the key challenges many of our operators are facing as a result of COVID relate to the need for more flexible menus and addressing issues like staff shortages, for example, while maintaining or improving the quality of the offering that they have for their customers. And this has meant that, by and large, our customer base have readily engaged with the new technological benefits and the advantages that, for example, intelligent assistants that we have, such as iProduction Manager or iCooking Suite, are able to offer. These systems deliver a significant operational advantage for our end user customers versus their competitors that may be still using conventional cooking methodologies.
Take that on a step then. Are you seeing operators engaging with your cooking platforms in different ways as they emerge from the pandemic?
Yeah, I mean, I think many operators are integrating a higher level of flexibility within their operations. For example, many restaurants are opening with table service, but also maintaining a click and collect or takeaway service. And this means that such operators will make full use of iProduction Manager, as an example, to improve their operating efficiencies and deliver higher profit margins at the end of the day.
Looking forward, how do you see traditional commercial kitchens evolving in the coming years? Do you think that operators will want, individual specialist cooking equipment that does a few things really, really well, or do you think they're going to be looking more for multi-purpose equipment that consolidates their cooking infrastructure and their kitchen templates?
I think, as always, the answer to this kind of question has to consider different market segments. But I would say, generally speaking, across all market segments, we definitely see a move towards the need for intelligent, multifunctional equipment. This is driven, I think, by the demand for menu flexibility, changes in delivery and service, new health and safety requirements, and additionally, of course, the shortage of skilled kitchen staff mean that operators have to offer the best and latest equipment within their commercial kitchen in order to recruit and retain the best staff.
And of course, one of the biggest growth areas, certainly over the past year or so, has been in the area of delivery and dark kitchens. What can you tell us about your work in that particular area? And what are the sort of things that are important from a cooking platform's perspective in such a high volume but non-customer facing environment?
Well, look, here at Rationale, we're all about after-sales support and the support that we offer to the operators once they've purchased our equipment. So from experience within the ghost kitchen market in particular, and in partnership with our dealers and industry consultants, we see the main challenge they face is speed and ease of use. together with flexibility in order to manage a diverse menu, as well as a number of staff changeovers. After all, many of these ghost kitchens hire out their facility to different operators throughout the day. So it's vital that the staff are trained and able to maximise the benefits in delivering efficiency, productivity, and quality that intelligent multifunctional equipment such as ours can offer.
Sure, okay. And finally, Simon, just a point to note on, operators are now in the process of reopening their businesses and trying to rebuild back that lost revenue, following all of the restrictions that they've encountered over the past 15 or 16 months. What would be your overriding message to those that are wondering how they can drive more value from their cooking applications?
I think, it's been obviously a very tough time for the hospitality industry as a whole. But I think operators now, as lockdown restrictions are beginning to be released, they need to be focused on a sustainable return on their investment in any new equipment they choose. So ensuring they go with a manufacturer offering high levels of reliability and after-sales support is paramount to ensure that their chefs and kitchen staff are able to make the best use of the intelligent features and to maximize product yield, minimize energy costs, and improve the kitchen working environment. All of these things will allow the businesses to grow and expand as we recover from the impact of COVID.
Great, excellent point to end on. Simon, thanks for your time, and thank you for joining us on Kitchen Excellence Week.